think for me, the conference has allowed us to ask questions and also speak to other clients and customers that are actually using it as well. And then all of a sudden you kind of then broadens your horizon with regards to, oh God, our system, we can actually do that as well.
The conference has been fun. It's the first time participating in this type of event. I think I was able to talk to some of the colleagues also from other industries. They are in areas similar as us in terms of fleet management, but they are different. They have different challenges as well.
I think looking into the next gen FleetWave, hearing about the company growth and the direction.
I would recommend the conference to other users, and that's just because it allows you to hear other people's views on how they use the system, but then also hear about the new kind of avenues that Chevin are taking the platform and trying to push it even further. I had a Ask the Expert session this afternoon, and there's a little kind of part of this software that we can utilize actually is going to save probably at least kind of like 5 man-hours a week. Now, if you base that over a year, that's going to be a big saving. So even just that little half an hour session this afternoon has really helped. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it.
Well, yes, I think that this is a space for us to share ideas, to receive some sort of news about the future project, innovation happening around the tool. This is why I would suggest for other users to be able to attend this conference in the future years. Where geographically, it was a great idea to be present this year in Europe.
Absolutely, I would recommend that for everybody because it's a great place to meet other customers that are using the same solution, and you can have the discussions how they are solving their issues, how they are dealing with the daily challenges, and it doesn't matter if you are we are in the emergency business, and if someone is in any other type of business, we do have similarities and we can share the experience how we can overcome that.